Hey there, bitches. Bet you thought the only thing I knew how to do was cook, huh? Turns out, I also teach yoga, among other things. Next time you shouldn't underestimate me or I'll bend over backwards and shove my dirty bare foot up your ass. Let's begin. To achieve mountain pose, simply stand there, looking like an idiot. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed and your weight is balanced between the ball and the heel of your foot. Remember all those times you were waiting in line to see the next Twilight movie or buy another bag of Funyuns? You were doing yoga, and you didn't even know it, you ignorant slut. Starting in mountain pose, swing your shoulders with relaxed arms from side to side, occasionally slapping your tits. Now if you're a guy watching this, well, either you're fat enough to have man tits, or you're baiting with the sound off and can't hear me anyway. Start with an inhale and reach as high as you can towards that shiny corner office that all of you desk jockeys dream about. Hold it, you're almost there. Now with an exhale, bend over and realize that you'll have to take it up the ass in order to get it. Stay in this position while relaxing your head and your neck. Allow gravity to gently pull your upper body toward the fiery pits of hell. Don't worry if you can't touch your toes. All that means is that you're inflexible, and no one will ever love you. To finish, slowly roll up from the hips, try and hold back the tears, and bring your head up last. Repeat the promotion 2 or 3 times, or every day for the rest of your adult life. Imagine that you're trying to get the attention of a prospective mate. Start small and subtle, then move into bolder, more flashy gestures in order to get them to come to you. But as they approach, you quickly realize that this prospective mate is a Monet. So use the same technique, but in the opposite direction. When this doesn't work, tell them to stop, and pull back your fingers to let them know you're serious. First, you'll need to spread your legs. Get your mind out of the gutter. Next, keep a flat back and bend at your hips. Hold it, just a few more seconds, and release. Can you stop thinking unpure things for 2 seconds? Now in this position, hold on to your right foot, your left foot, and relax in the middle, each pose lasting about 8 seconds. From here, return to mountain pose, bend at the knees, and squat with your hands in the prayer position. Try to keep your feet as flat as you can, with your heels on the ground. No, I'm not peeing. No, I'm not pooping. Yes, I look ridiculous enough that I don't think a joke is necessary. Return to mountain pose and roll each ankle to loosen them up. Lastly, we're going to loosen up our necks, because ladies and gay men know how important it is to keep a loose neck. From mountain pose, gently drop your head to the left while raising your right fingers. This intensifies the stretch. Now repeat on the other side, and roll your head gently from side to side. Now that you're warmed up, let's do the half moon. No, this does not have shit to do with Twilight. From mountain pose, slowly inhale and place your palms together above your head. As you exhale, keeping your body facing forward, bend as far left as you possibly can. Another quick inhale, then exhale again as you bend as far right as you possibly can. Inhale one more time, and then as you exhale, bend as far back as you possibly can. Return to center and release your arms. From mountain pose, put your hands behind your back and interlace your fingers. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and inhale, and as you exhale, lean left, bringing your hands as far right and up as you possibly can. Inhale and return to center. Exhale and do the same thing to the opposite side. Now inhale again, and as you exhale, extend your hands as far above your head as humanly possible. In preparation for wearing handcuffs, future criminals should practice this daily. Future pedophiles should mutilate their genitalia, then die.